What if your pocket gear could do more than you ever imagined? Today, we're revealing the smartest, most compact multi-tools and survival gadgets of 2025. Perfect for campers, climbers, hikers, and everyday carry fans. These aren't just tools, they're problem solvers, lifesavers, and conversation starters. Whether you're heading into the wild or upgrading your EDC setup, this list is packed with must-haves you'll want in your kit. Hit that like button, check the links below, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Let's dive in. Number 16. Carabiner Multitool 8-in-1 EDC. When space is limited, but utility matters, this sleek Carabiner Multitool delivers. Crafted from high-carbon steel, it packs 8 essentials: folding knife, serrated blade, rope cutter, screwdriver, opener, and ruler. The twist lock latch secures it to gear or keychains, while the liner lock design allows smooth one-handed use. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for campers, climbers, hikers, and EDC fans. Number 15. Multi-Tool Knife 17-in-1. When adventure meets uncertainty, this 17-in-1 multi-tool knife becomes your pocket-sized survival partner. It packs a sharp blade, saw, screwdrivers, fire starter, whistle, window breaker, and more into a sleek, one-handed design built for camping, emergencies, and everyday use. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a corrosion-resistant finish. It's compact enough for any kit, yet tough enough for real-world tasks. Whether you're gifting or gearing up, this tool brings confidence to every step outdoors. Number 14. Multi-Tool Carabiner with Pocket Knife. When everyday carry meets rugged utility, this multi-tool carabiner becomes the perfect pocket-sized companion. Ideal for campers, hikers, and anyone who loves gear that works hard and looks sharp. It packs a folding knife, glass breaker, screwdrivers, and more into a sleek stainless steel frame with a secure twist lock latch. Lightweight, durable, and gift ready, it clips easily to backpacks, belt loops, or keychains. Whether for birthdays, holidays, or just because, it's a smart, practical gift that's ready for adventure. Number 13. Gerber Gear Crucial Multi-Tool EDC Pocket Knife. When everyday tasks meet unexpected challenges, this compact multi-tool steps in with strength and precision. Perfect for EDC enthusiasts, DIYers, and outdoor adventurers. It features needle-nose pliers, V-cut wire cutters, a partially serrated blade, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, and a carabiner clip, all packed into a sleek, lightweight frame. The liner lock mechanism ensures safe one-handed use, while the textured anodized aluminum handle offers a secure grip. Rugged, pocket-friendly, and backed by a lifetime warranty, it's built to handle real-world tasks without weighing you down. Number 12. Multi-Tool Carabiner with Pocket Knife. When utility meets portability, this 6-in-1 multi-tool carabiner clips on and steps up. Perfect for outdoor repairs, quick fixes, and everyday carry. It packs a folding pocket knife, window breaker, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, and a secure carabiner clip into a sleek, black stainless steel frame. Lightweight, yet rugged, it attaches easily to backpacks, belt loops, or keychains. Whether you're gifting or gearing up, it's a smart, compact tool that's always ready when you are. Number 11. Edcfans Keychain Knife Carabiner Multitool. When minimal design meets maximum utility, this compact multi-tool becomes your everyday sidekick. Perfect for hikers, campers, cyclists, and anyone who values smart gear on the go. It packs 8 essential tools into a sleek stainless steel frame, including a Tanto-style pocket knife, box cutter, can opener, screwdrivers, wrench, and pry bar, all secured with a keychain clip for easy access. Lightweight, durable, and gift-ready, it's a practical upgrade for any EDC setup and a thoughtful gift for anyone who's always prepared. Number 10. NexTool Folding Credit Card Multi-Tool. When your wallet holds more than cash, this ultra-compact multi-tool brings 20 essential functions to your fingertips. Perfect for hikers, DIYers, and everyday carry enthusiasts who value readiness in a sleek form. Crafted from 420J2 stainless steel, it includes folding pliers, knife, screwdrivers, hex wrenches, wire stripper, ruler, box cutter, and more, all packed into a credit card-sized frame with a premium leather case. Number 9. NexTool Mini Multi-Tool 9-in-1. When travel meets unpredictability, this 9-in-1 Keychain multi-tool keeps you ready without weighing you down. It packs needle nose pliers, scissors, wire cutters, SIM extractor, and dual screwdrivers into a compact, TSA-approved bladeless design, perfect for flights, commutes, and everyday carry. Crafted from 420J2 stainless steel, it's durable, rust-resistant, and small enough to clip onto any keychain. Whether you're fixing gear, swapping SIMs, or popping open a bottle, this mini multi-tool is always within reach. Number 8. EDC Pry-Bar Multi-Tool with Bi-Directional Ratchet Screwdriver. When your pocket gear needs to do more than just open bottles, this multi-tool pry-bar delivers rugged versatility in a sleek, compact frame. Perfect for EDC fans, campers, and hands-on problem solvers. It features a bi-directional ratchet screwdriver, everlasting magnetic pen, wrenches, crowbar, box opener, and bottle opener, all crafted from durable stainless steel, with a removable clip for easy carry, and a fireproof, waterproof pen that never runs dry. It's built for real-world tasks and ready to impress as a gift or daily companion. Number 7. RAK Multi Tool Pen. When smart design meets everyday utility, this multi-tool pen becomes your pocket-sized problem solver. Perfect for DIYers, handymen, and anyone who loves gear that works as hard as they do. Each pen packs 8 essential tools: a bright LED light, stylus, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, ruler, bubble level, and a smooth writing ballpoint, all housed in a sleek, durable aluminum body. Stylish upgrade for birthdays, holidays, or everyday carry. Number 6. Titanium Pry-Bar Multi-Tool. When your pocket gear needs to punch above its weight, this titanium multi-tool pry-bar delivers strength, precision, and versatility in one sleek frame. It combines a ratcheting screwdriver, wrenches, nail puller, crowbar, and more, machined from grade 5 titanium for unmatched durability and corrosion resistance. Compact and lightweight, it's built for everyday carry, yet tough enough for camping, repairs, and emergency use. Number 5. Mix 2 Titanium EDC Ruler. When precision meets elegance, this titanium multi-tool ruler transforms everyday carry into engineering art. Perfect for designers, makers, and professionals who demand accuracy with style. Crafted from grade 5 titanium with a copper core, it combines a 4+3 inches imperial ruler, adjustable wrench, logarithmic scale, and magnetic alignment system into a sleek, pocket-sized tool. The telescopic structure allows extended measurements, while CNC machined markings ensure pinpoint accuracy. Number 4. Multi-Tool 26-in-1 Multi-Tool Pliers with Pocket Knife. When the outdoors demand more than just a blade, this 26-in-1 multi-tool delivers rugged versatility in one compact package. Perfect for campers, hunters, hikers, and survivalists. It features needle nose pliers, wire cutters, knife, saw, scissors, files, screwdrivers, rope cutter, and more. All crafted from high alloy 440A stainless steel for durability and rust resistance. With one-handed access, a camouflage finish, and a belt-ready nylon sheath, it's built to handle real-world tasks wherever adventure takes you. Number 3. LEATHERMAN Wave Plus 18-in-1 Full-Size Versatile Multi-Tool. When everyday tasks turn into unexpected challenges, this full-size multi-tool is your all-in-one solution, trusted by DIYers, outdoor explorers, and professionals alike. With 18 built-in tools, it includes needle nose pliers, replaceable wire cutters, 420HC straight and serrated knives, saw, scissors, screwdrivers, files, ruler. Each tool locks securely and many are outside accessible, allowing quick, one-handed use. Built from stainless steel with a sleek black finish, it's compact enough for EDC, yet powerful enough for home, garden, or field work. Number 2. Bolt Action Pen solid brass EDC pen. When style meets substance, this bolt-action pen becomes more than just a writing tool. It's a statement piece for your everyday carry. Crafted from solid brass with a sleek 6-edge design, it offers a satisfying bolt mechanism, smooth writing experience, and a sturdy clip for pocket or notebook attachment. The pen includes multicolor refills, making it perfect for business notes, creative sketches, or quick signatures. Durable, elegant, and gift-ready, it's a standout choice for birthdays, holidays, or professional gear upgrades. Number 1. BIIB Stocking Stuffers for Men, Teens, Adults. When gifting needs to be clever, compact, and genuinely useful, this 9-in-1 multi-tool pen delivers big functionality in a sleek package. It combines a ballpoint pen, LED flashlight, stylus, ruler, level, flat, and Phillips screwdrivers. Crafted from durable aluminum, it's a smart stocking stuffer or white elephant gift that's sure to impress.